Moving targets, which happen to be flocks of robins that would come in spring and slurp up all the earthworms after it rained. And I would shoot arrows into these groups of birds and watch them scatter because as soon as they heard the thwack of the bowstring, they would take off. And so the chances of hitting one were never really a consideration. It was just for the excitement of their flight. But there was one time when I shot into a group and everybody scattered except for one. And when I approached, I saw that I had shot.
For the 2 years that my mother and I lived with Terry, they didn't really work. Terry was a communist, so he shoplifted everything that we might need. And we had these amazing Christmases. I had never really had very many toys because we moved so much, but when I lived with Terry, I had incredible toys. But they were all really tiny. They were all the size that you could nick easily. They were stocking stuffers. They were the perfect size for my new houses. Oh, and there were these glass bottles that came in boxes of Red Rose tea. They were a free gift. Little tiny sweet glass bottles with a cork.